Welcome back! Today, we're in the kitchen. Let's look around and see what we can find together. This is our fridge. It's a cool box that keeps food fresh. We store milk, fruits, and veggies inside, so we can enjoy healthy meals every day. This is our dishwasher. It washes dirty plates and cups. With soap and water inside, it makes everything clean and shiny. This is our microwave. It heats food really fast. From warm milk to yummy snacks, it makes meals ready in minutes. This is our dustbin. We throw our waste inside. It keeps the kitchen clean and tidy and helps us stay healthy. This is our cutlery. We use it to eat our food. Spoons, forks, and knives help us enjoy every meal. This is our coffee maker. It makes warm coffee for the grown-ups. With water and coffee beans, it gives a nice smell in the morning. This is our kitchen chimney. It takes away smoke and smells when we cook yummy food, so the air stays clean and fresh. This is our blender. It mixes fruits and veggies fast to make smoothies and juices that taste yummy and fresh. Now let's go to the backyard. It's a fun place with grass, trees, and sunshine. Come on, let's explore together. This is our grill. It helps us cook yummy food outside, like corn and veggies in the backyard. This is our grass lawn. It's soft and green, a nice place to play and relax. This is the kennel. It's a little house where our dog rests and feels safe. This is the seesaw. It goes up and down and children love to play on it. This is the slide. We climb up and then zoom down. So much fun. This is the swing set. We sit, hold tight, and sway back and forth. Whee! This is the trampoline. We jump up high, bounce, and giggle with joy. This is the umbrella. It keeps us dry when it rains. That's all for today, friends. Come back next week to explore a brand new room in my house.